everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my update for Panner's Pan. This was created by Liz, aka Cookie Pans, over on Instagram, and this was started September of 2020, September 1st as a matter of fact. And the idea is to just pay homage to Panners that you really enjoy watching, following, subscribing to, whatever. If you just appreciate them, that is what this project is about. We originally started with 10 Panners, and we picked a product that reminded us of that Panner. It doesn't have to make sense to anyone else. It just has to be something that reminds you of that Panner. And it's rolling and it's ongoing. And I'm kind of sad. This is like a bittersweet moment for me because my very last one of my original 10 is rolling out. I know it's been going on for a while. I was not brilliant about this in the very beginning. I picked really hard products for some people. And yeah, so my very last one since September 1st of 2020 is rolling out. It is a sad day. I'm sorry, Dana. I'm rolling you out because your product is done. I brought in for my girl Dana. She is Eyeshadow Junkie at Heart over on Instagram, and someone that I talk to every single day via text. We chat about this, that, and everything else. She is just a lovely, lovely person. I truly consider her to be one of my friends. I think she's an amazing panner, just an all-around amazing person. If you aren't following her, go over to Instagram, check her out. She's going to be listed down below along with everyone else that I am going to be mentioning here today. So for Dana, I had this Urban Decay Vice Special Effects in Regulate. It was officially a lip topper, but I used it on my eyes. I used it on my lips. Dana was an avid Urban Decay person. She doesn't buy from them as much anymore, but she used to like buy all the stuff, all the things. And she always did these really cool eye looks. So I brought this in for her because, like I said, I was using it on my eyes. I don't know if you can even see what it looked like. It was like a silvery, like a taupey silver kind of glitter, and it was really cool. I did use it on eyes and lips both, and it is done. I did make a Franken out of it, and it was in here. I mean, there's like some remnants, but not really anything I can do with that. So, calling her done. It was a good run while it lasted because I really hadn't used it prior to bringing it into this project. So yeah, I'm happy to have that product done. Always good to have empties. All right, moving on to the ones that are going to continue on. And then I will be bringing in a new panner who is really an old panner, but I'll explain when we get to that point. All right, I've got Steph Lyons and Dylan. They're together. They belong together because they created Partners in Cream. So I have these two ColourPop eyeliners. I have Electric Daisy for Steph, and for Dylan I have Prance. I try to use them like the same amount so that they roll out together. I know that's kind of crazy, but I don't know if you can see the new blue line. Let me take the lids off so you can like kind of see what's going on here and line them up that way because it's sometimes hard to see. So this blue line is where Prance is. For Dylan, I cannot roll up the green anymore. It has separated, and every time I try to roll it up to measure it, like I have to like forcibly shove it back down in there, and I don't want it to break anymore. I want to be able to actually finish it off. So I try to use them the same amount. Like if I use Electric Daisy one day, then I try to use Prance within the next day or two, and so that I'm using them the same amount. I know, it's crazy. It's just one of those added levels to my insanity as far as panning, and I'm dropping the lids before I can even get them back on. So hopefully, I'm hoping that I will have both of these done by the next update because I can show you in Prance, there's not much left there. And yeah, I'm really hoping to have these both done by the next update. That'll be kind of cool. It really would. All right, next one is for Mari. She is Patriot Makeup. She does a project called Show Your Sparkle. So I had to pick some sparkle for her. This is the ColourPop Glitter Gel in After Party. This is probably not going to get used much. I mean, it will a little here and there, but the bulk of it's going to get used once it starts to warm up because I like to, you know, I like to glitter and glow and shine and sparkle. So once it starts warming up, which like my yard and the ground around me is all covered in snow right now, and not the pretty kind. Sorry, otherwise I would show you a picture. It's that ugly winter snow, and y'all know what I'm talking about if you get snow. So yeah, it's going to be slow going with that one. Next is my girl Misty. She has created That's Expensive, Project Pan, Color Pan. She does a lot. And I talk to her every single day too. I talk to people. I like people. I like people a lot. You know, if they're my people, you know what I'm talking about. So for Misty, she is, like I said, creator of That's Expensive, Project Pan. So I brought this in, this stupid expensive stuff, but it's a lovely product. It's the Eve Lom cleanser. It's a cleansing balm. Looks like that. I'm going to smell it. I have to smell it, even though it's such a strong smell. It's very clovey, and it does have clove oil in it. It's one of those love it or hate it kind of things. I actually really love it. But this thing's $80, which is crazy, which is why it represents her That's Expensive Project Pan. And this was, last time, 132 grams. We are down to 119 grams. I am splitting time with that and the Dermalogica Pre-Cleanse. So, you know, that's just the way it goes when you're splitting time with products. All right, moving on to my girl, April Ruby Rouge, here on the internets or interwebs. I can't remember which one she says. It could be interwebs, could be internets. I don't remember. Sorry, April. She is a skincare junkie. I love my skincare. So I brought in skincare for her. This is the Strivectin Hyaluronic Triple Peptide, Tripeptide, words, Jessica, words, eye gel cream. And it is a gel and a cream together. If you look at it, you can see it's a gel and a cream together. I love this product. I'm kind of going to be sad when it's gone, but I used up 2 grams. It was 45 grams. It is now 43 grams. I am splitting time with this one and another one that I'm working on. Story of my life early in the year. So that's going to be in here for a few more months, of course. For Val, if you don't know Val, she is over on Instagram. I want to say she's VRMT on Instagram. It's her initials. So I'm pretty sure that's what it is, but it's going to be down there just in case. She was co-creator on Nightmare on Panning Street. So I picked one of the prompts from there, and that was for 7 items still in its box, which this was when I brought it in. This is the Juvia's Skin, I almost said Juvia's Place, Juvia's Skin, the Niacinamide Serum. Brand new when I brought it in. We are down to here. I do have weights on it. It was originally 103 grams. It's down to 96 grams. I'm kind of torn on this product. I mean, I like what niacinamide does for my skin, but the product in and of itself is sticky. I feel like I'm smearing glue, like clear glue all over my face. I can literally like pull my hand away from my face and my face sticks to it. It's weird. It's weird. I mean, it does what it's supposed to do as a niacinamide, but just the texture it's not my favorite. It is not my favorite. All right, moving on to Andrea. Andrea, I'm pretty sure she pronounces it Andrea, and I think I messed that up at another point. She's pretty as a peacock. She does some amazing eye looks. She does. So I had to bring in an eyeshadow for her. Bare Minerals Lime. It's bright and sparkly like her. Not much usage on that one, so no major progress. For Jen, Project Beauty. If you're not following her, why? Both, like everyone in here, you should be following because they're awesome. Jen is another eyeshadow girl. She just does some amazing eye looks. A lot of my girls do some good eye looks. So I brought in another eyeshadow to coordinate with the one that I just showed you, and there's a little tiny dip in there, but again, no major progress because those were brought in last update, so not a lot of progress. And then Ashley, she's Little Miss Lipstick. More great eye looks, but I had to go with something non-eyeshadow for her because she's Little Miss Lipstick. Makes sense that I brought in a little lipstick for her. So this is Tarte Set Sail. You can see the progress from the black to the blue. Blue is probably not the smartest color to put on there, but a little bit of progress. And it's because I'm kind of wearing it away crooked. It was like evenly curved and now it's kind of like slanted. I think if I had done it more evenly, it would have looked like more progress, but that's for a future date. So I'm making progress on this one. I really enjoy it a whole lot, and I don't think it's going to be a problem to get it finished, just not by next update. The only thing I think I could potentially have done by the next update are these two eyeliners. That is going to be my goal, and we will see how that goes. All right, since I'm rolling Dana out, I need to roll someone new in. And this is someone I didn't think I was going to get to roll in because she had been on hiatus for years. And I have missed her so much, and I'm so happy that she is back. She is back, and I'm excited. Cherish, Pretty Pistol 86. If you've been around for a hot minute, you know who I'm talking about. She is the creator of Project Polish, and she is a great painter. She blows through some stuff. It is amazing. She's very informative when she talks about a product. She lets you know how like it felt and like the texture and the smells and how it worked for her and would she buy it again. She's just very, very informative about those products. Loved it. But I will always know her as the creator of Project Polish. So even though I'm doing Project Polish, I'm kind of going against what I normally like to do when I do Project Polish. I got to bring in a polish for her. It just has to be done. And there's another painter that has come back recently, and I will eventually roll her in, and that is Charisse. She is Brown Eyed Girl Charisse. You know, she's going to be coming up, but for some reason my camera cut out. I don't know what was going on with it, but I'm not sure where it cut off, but I will be bringing in some new people soon. There's a lot of conflict with what I want to bring in for people. I have a list, but a lot of their products that I have chosen for them are a big conflict with other things that I'm working on, and it's very difficult. It is very, very difficult. So yeah, it's going to be Cherish this month, and Pretty Pistol 86, she's going to be linked down below. I don't know if she's on Instagram or not. I know she is definitely on YouTube, and she's back. So if you're a Cherish person and you didn't realize she's back, go check her out. She is going to be listed down below. I'm bringing in this Colorworks nail polish. It's basically going to work like a topper for me. And yeah, we're going to see how it goes. It's a little guy. It's just the mini, so I don't think it's going to take super long, a month or two. We'll see how it goes. All right. Hopefully I didn't lose too much footage when my camera just kind of died there, but it is what it is. It kind of like glitched and shut down, so who knows? Who knows what happened with that? All right, I'm going to wrap this up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.